That'll continue into Monday and maybe on Tuesday.
All right, this will be sketchy.
Of showers and thunderstorms, and we could be looking at 2 to 4 inches of.
Head up to the north end, check another watering hole that I dug. Look at the prizes. Let me show you this one. All right, so I'm out digging a hasty watering hole because we got a bunch of rain in the forecast the next few days. As you can see, I got one of my towers right here. So I'm just cutting. Again, I'm going to cut 2 rain lanes, if you will, like this and like this. And this is where I'm going to dig the pocket. Not super deep, but once again, we got the rut coming. If it fills up and if it holds, it'll hold all season. You know, just 1 foot to 18 inches deep. If it's a big enough area, it'll hold. If I've done one of these, I've done 100. I really enjoy them. They work incredibly well for attracting wildlife. Incredibly well. And then right behind me here, I'll show you, we got a really nice really steep cut down here. It goes this way, then it goes back up to another hayfield, and this goes way down to parts unknown. Goes all the way down to I think the Gasconade River. We are up on top. Got to go meet a guy today. Looks like I got the batteries and that charger sold. $350. That's better than a sharp stick in the eye. Alright, I'll keep digging, check back in about halfway done. On this side, I'm going to try the blade. So like if you had a tractor, you could do this with a back blade. So right now I'm kind of running downhill. I'm just gently coaxing that water. Right into the future little pond right here. And then your dirt that you're piling on the outside, you know, that's what's going to help channel the water in. There's a look at it. This hill goes this way. Deeper here. Maybe that's really hard dirt right now. All right, carry on. Digging. Whoops. Alright, you can see it's starting to take shape. It's kind of a horseshoe. It's going to be really pretty, although I got some trees in the way here. Let me move out of their way. Man, yeah, you gotta watch These oak branches, they'll bust some lines, I guarantee you that. So this is basically where I made the blade cut right here. Alright, that should be plenty good for water pitch. Now I'm going to go down in here and dig it a little deeper. This will be a great rut watering hole. Great rut spot right in here. I need to get a little closer, I think. Yeah, that's the watering hole right there. Yeah, let's just do it right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blade out that dam there. At least give it a little bit of compaction. It ain't going to be much, but... And with a smaller one like this, a loose dam will hold like that. Not always, but often they will. All right, well now I'm in the watering hole. Yeah, this one should be really nice right here. I mean, if you're in our area, Rolla, St. James area, and you want something like this for your property, reach out to me. I can hook you up. All right, we'll finish up digging in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and blade that back dam, and then we're going to be out of here. All right, fellas, we got rain in the forecast. I'm digging. This is my second little watering hole. This will make 3. I dug another one, so I'll have 3 setups. We're supposed to get 3 to 4 inches of rain this weekend, starting tonight. So the plots are all planted, just waiting for rain. So we might get a little miracle before you get here. And these should hold water with 3-4 inches of rain. So looking forward to. Hopefully you guys have a good experience. All right, this will be sketchy. We'll see how it's going to go. I'm going to try to blade it and push the dirt that way. It's a small hill for a dam. So let's see what's going to happen. Rain is coming tonight, baby. All right, let's see how it's going. All right, I have a big oak branch right here next to my cab that the previous owners had cut off. Like I said, this is going to be sketchy at best. rocks stuck in my track. Alright. I just got a little cleanup work over here. She's good to go. That's a pretty little watering hole, man. That was, what, 30 minutes maybe? Give or take. I guess the night I didn't, not bad right there. It's fine. Yeah, she'll hold water. I'm pretty sure of it. Get a little more depth right in here. Where I get rabbit holed, I'll sit here all day and I'll make it 4 foot deep, which normally is what I want to do, but not for this particular one. Which, the way it's sitting right now, right here, it could be 3 foot deep if that dam holds. No, this is a pretty one, man. This is a real pretty one for how short a time I got into it. I'm happy with it. All right, let's keep moving on. I got a road trip today. Go sell them batteries. Let's get out of here. All right, here's an after look. So here's one of my cuts here. You know, this all pitches down. There's one cut here, and then I got another one under that oak tree there. This is gonna be pretty, really pretty. Massive food here is coming. Okay, I wrapped this up. This was October 30th. We've had a bunch of rain since then. Let's check in on it twice. So don't leave yet. The first time might be disappointing, but we'll see the second time. All right, so I put the drone up November 1st. After the first rain, we got 1.5 inches of rain. And here you can see my deer tower. We'll go in and look at the water hole. For what I could tell from this, it's pretty much dry on November 1st. But fear not, we're gonna get another couple inches of rain here in a day or two. Let's head up to the north end, check another watering hole that I dug. See if it's holding. Bright green plot too over there. All right, I think another success. Again, this was just a real hasty one. 30-minute dig, but that's beautiful. That's beautiful. This is starting to germinate. This is one of my replants. If it stays warm enough, this is going to add probably another acre to that plot up there for that deer tower there. Cool. I'll take it.